Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. Yes, it's Thanksgiving Eve, baby. Get those stomachs ready. It's about to be time to eat. Yes. I hope everybody's having a great Thanksgiving Eve. Mine is going just gravy, but let me drop some tea on y'all for a second. All right, y'all, before I get started with this video, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now because you already know it's going to be great. If you are not subscribed to my channel, who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. All right, y'all. Let's get started with this tea. Listen. So, let me get her name right. I was just scrolling down YouTube like I usually do. And I came upon a blog channel called, hold on, let me get her name right. The Voice for the People Reacts. I think that's the name of her channel. So she had put up a caption saying that, okay, so on a caption of her video, it says, Armon Warren is mad after the second video drops of REGINAE Carter and XFYN Lucci. Okay, so I went and I looked at the video, and basically it is just stating that the first video that the guy dropped, which his name is blackout_bands. I went on his page too. His page has become private. So I went on his page to snoop. You can't see anything on his page no more. He is private his page. I don't know what y'all did to this man, but he private his page. Okay, so in the Voice for the People Reacts, the video states that she basically is saying the same thing that I said. He dropped the first video. He said it was old. But then he dropped a screenshot. I didn't know he dropped a screenshot. So when he dropped the screenshot, it's of REGINAE in like a little onesie sleeper. And her hair is like, everybody's focusing on the onesie sleeper and the high ponytail. Now, allegedly, people are saying, well, when I did a little research, because they saying that this second screenshot, he's saying this is the most recent screenshot. He's saying he dropped this screenshot is from July. Okay. I went back into REGINAE's Instagram, and that is correct. In the beginning of July, for like the first week in July, she did have that ponytail. So that's correct. This screenshot is from the beginning of July because she has the same ponytail. Okay, so that all adds up, what he's saying. However, the blind date didn't happen until July 21st. So at the end of the month of July, she had those goddess locks, or I think they call goddess locks, goddess braids, goddess twists, whatever. She had those brown ones. That blind date happened on July 21st. So at the beginning of the month, she had a high ponytail. That's when allegedly she is on FaceTime with Lucci. By the end of the month, that's when the blind date had started, July 21st. Okay, so those dates don't match up to the date that she started talking to Armon and she stopped talking to Lucci. So she stopped talking to Lucci the beginning of July. She started talking to Armon after the blind date, the end of July. Okay, great. That's not what my radar went off when I seen it. To be honest, I was like, okay, cool, it add up. This is where my radar went off, and I started doing a little deep diving because I remember Nene saying something in the blind date, and I remember what she said, and it didn't add up to the dates that we are now looking at. I'm going to play the blind date on the part when Jazz asked REGINAE and Armon when was the last time they talked to their ex. Armon stated that he has to talk to his ex almost every day because he has a child with her. Talking about Legacy and Essie. So he said there's no way that I can't talk to them because I have a child. Then REGINAE goes on to say, oh, okay, I didn't know you had a child. That should have been something that was disclosed to me before the blind date, blah, blah, blah. Then Jazz asks her, when are you going to answer the question about when was the last time you talked to your ex? REGINAE answers the question like this.
What's the question? When last time you talked to your ex? Well, my ex is incarcerated. So I
probably checked on my ex like a month or two ago when I heard something. To see if he's okay.
Okay. Real nigga shit. At least you honest.
I am honest.
So.
Okay, so that's what caught my eye, because I remember specifically in that blind date that REGINAE said the last time she talked to her ex was a month or two ago. That means that if she talked to her ex a month or two ago, it shouldn't be no FaceTime in the beginning of July stating that she talked to her ex. A month or two ago means she talked to him in either May or June was the last time she talked to him. No time in July. She never stated that she talked to Lucci in that same month that she met Armon. So what I'm trying to say to y'all is, now listen, it could have just been a time when she was nervous and she forgot that she talked to him in the month of July. You know what I'm saying? I'm just being honest. Maybe she did forget, because clearly that screenshot of when she talked to Lucci is from the beginning of July. That's in the hairstyle matches up. The guy that released the screenshot said it was the beginning of July, and everybody agrees with that. That screenshot of her talking to Lucci was in July. Now, in the blind date, she said it had been a month or two. Maybe she forgot she talked to him in July. Maybe she forgot. You know what I'm saying? Maybe she just forgot. But my thing is this. What they are trying to put on REGINAE has not been proven, that she's talked to him after she has started dating Armon. So that's the main important thing. My thing is, that came up. I went and did some research. She actually did talk to Lucci in July, but in a blind date, she said that she talked to him a month or two ago. Now, I don't know, y'all. Them dates ain't adding up. What y'all think about it? Did REGINAE just forget that she talked to him in July? Did she want to reveal that she just talked to her ex in July so she won't mess up anything with Armon? Because he probably thinking like, Dad, you just talked to him. You know what I'm saying? Yesterday. You see what I'm saying? Or did she just forget that she talked to him in July? Let me know how y'all feel about it below. Again, that's just something that came in my mind, and I remember her saying that. Does it matter now? Probably not. Because at the end of the day, she wasn't with Armon. She just probably forgot that she talked to him in July. It ain't no big deal. But I just want to point out that she did get caught in that. Let me know how y'all feel about it. Thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.